Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Midjourney to create images. First of all, you have to download Midjourney Discord server. So first of all, you have to download Discord by typing on download Discord, and you have to click on download Discord on the search result of the Google, and you have to download Discord, as I have already downloaded the Discord for Windows. So once you've downloaded, all you have to do is type in Midjourney Discord on the search result and click on the Midjourney on the top search result. From here, your Discord will automatically open. As you can see, my Discord has opened automatically. From here, you have to find the newcomers room. For example, here's a newcomers room. It is newbies 25, newbies 55, and 85. You can select any room of your choice. For example, if I select newbies 85, all you have to do is you will be landed on this page. From here, all you have to do is click on the text box and type /imagine. Hit enter, and you have to type in a prompt. For example, I can type any prompt, for example, in red sky. If I hit enter, it will create me an AI generated image of a blue hot air balloon in a red sky. But in order to generate images, you have to get a subscription from Midjourney. If you're not subscribed, then you will not be able to get images from Midjourney. But if you're new to Midjourney, you will get a free trial with which you can generate some images, for example 5 or 10 images. After that, you have to subscribe to Midjourney, and after that you will be able to successfully generate images or create images with Midjourney. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.